Standard physics models the atom as a collection of isolated particles suspended in a vacuum. Alternative topological models propose a different architecture. In this continuous, unified etheric field, matter exists as a temporary geometric standing wave. In 1926, Walter Russell theorized the mechanics of this geometry in his treatise The Universal One. Malcolm Bendel has since introduced a contemporary engineering framework called the Plasmoid Unification Model, or PUM. This wavelength spiral serves as the core geometry for Russell's wave mechanics. The model organizes chemical elements according to their pressure dimensions rather than atomic weight. Reclassifying atoms as resonant vortices suggests that matter can be disassembled through precise geometry, bypassing the need for brute force particle collisions. This synthesis explores if atomic engineering can be reinterpreted through the lens of acoustics, potentially unlocking water as a viable candidate for fuel. Bendel's mechanical process begins by subjecting liquid water to an extreme vacuum. As the vacuum is applied, dissolved gases within the water expand to form a bubble. During the bubble's collapse, internal core pressures reach 100,000 psi, driving temperatures toward 10 million degrees Celsius. This physical threshold produces a plasmoid EVO, a toroidal, self-sustaining electromagnetic containment field. Russell's theoretical work provides the geometric explanation for why this toroidal shape forms under pressure. Russell posited that the universe is defined by the interaction of two opposing forces. The first is a generative centripetal contraction, where energy churns inward through opposing spiral cones. This is met by centrifugal expansion, creating a looping feedback system as energy moves outward. These opposing cones geometrically equal a solid toroidal vortex. The plasmoid EVO represents the physical realization of Russell's generative force, concentrating energy into a dense gyroscopic top. If all atoms share this base geometric structure, the differences between chemical elements must stem from their specific rates of vibration. Russell proposed that every element represents a specific state of motion within a unified substance. Elements occupy specific pressure dimensions along a spiraling tonal octave. Bendel maps these tonal states to macrocosmic frequencies. The PUM utilizes the 25,920-year cycle of the Great Year as a constant. Bendel argues that this frequency originates from the resonance of protium, the solar system's most abundant element. Aligning Russell's pressure states with Bendel's cosmic math suggests a deep link between micro and macro structures. In Russell's model, matter increases in volume and decreases in density as magnetism returns to the system. Bendel asserts that matching these resonant frequencies is the key to atomic disassembly.